Stickman videos with millions of views, made with zero animation skill and zero budget. Channels like Zen and Simple Actually are pulling insane numbers from videos this simple, just a stick figure and a story. And the wild part? You can make the exact same thing using AI, completely free. No drawing tablet, no complex software, no experience needed. In this video, I'm giving you the full workflow, how to take a static Stickman image, bring it to life with AI animation, and automate the whole process so you're pumping these out on repeat. Let's get into it. This is Pervez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions. First, we will create a script using a master prompt, which I will provide in the description. Then, we will generate static Stickman images and convert those images into animated videos. After that, we will create AI voiceovers and create a complete Stickman animation video using AI. The entire process is very easy and simple, even if you don't have any previous animation experience. And the best part is that this workflow is completely free. First, we need to open ChatGPT. As I mentioned earlier, there is a master prompt that I have created, and I will put this master prompt in the description. You can use this prompt to create your own Stickman animation videos. So, first, we will copy this prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. After pasting the prompt, we can make some changes according to our requirements. For example, we can choose how long we want our video to be. We can set the duration, choose the number of scenes, and customize the structure of the video. We can also specify the topic we want to create the Stickman video about. For this example, the topic is how to be productive at work. Once we enter our topic, we will click on the Send button, and ChatGPT will start generating our complete script. This is a complete story plan. It includes everything we need, such as image generation prompts for creating the Stickman images, motion and animation prompts for animating those generated images, and also the complete voiceover script for the video. So, first, what we have to do is copy the Stickman base prompt. We will copy this base prompt, and then we will open Google Gemini. Now, the image generation process begins. Here, we have to click on the plus button and select the option to create or generate images. First, we will enter the base prompt. This base prompt is used to test our visual style and check what type of images will be generated. It helps us understand the character style, animation style, and overall look of our Stickman video. Once we are happy with the generated image style, we can continue with the remaining image generation process. Now, we will copy the Scene 1 image generation prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Gemini. After that, we will generate the image. Following the same process, we will create images for all the scenes in our story. Once all the scene images are generated, we need to download these images. After downloading all the images, we will open Google Flow. Here, we will animate the Stickman images that we have just created. First, we need to upload our generated image into Google Flow. Once the image is uploaded, we will go back to our ChatGPT script and open the motion and animation prompts. Now, we will copy the animation prompt for the first scene and paste it into Google Flow along with our image. Then, we need to adjust the video settings. Here, make sure that the option is selected from Frames to Ingredients. This setting allows Google Flow to generate an image-to-video animation using our uploaded image and the given prompt. Once we send the first animation prompt, Google Flow will start creating our animated clip. After the first animation is complete, we repeat the same process for the second image. We continue this process until all of our Stickman images are converted into animated videos. Once all the animations are ready, the next step is creating the voiceover. For the voiceover, we will use Google AI Studio. Inside Google AI Studio, we need to go to the Playground option, and here we will select the Voice Generation section. Now, we will copy our voiceover script from ChatGPT and paste it into the voiceover section. Then, in the speaker settings, we can choose a voice that matches the style and tone of our video. We can test different voices by
What kind
playing
of
them,
masterpiece
and
are we
once we
aiming
find the
for?
perfect voice, we simply click on the Run button. Google AI Studio will automatically generate our complete voiceover. After creating the voiceover, the final step is editing everything together. Here, we need to import and drag all of our animated clips and voiceover files into the timeline. Then, we adjust the clips according to the voiceover and make sure everything is perfectly synchronized. Once the editing is complete, we can preview the final video and make any necessary adjustments. After that, simply export the video, and our
Feeling
Stickman
busy doesn't
animation
always
video
mean you're
is ready.
productive. Too many distractions can make even simple work feel impossible. Start by choosing just one important task. A clear priority makes everything easier. Put your phone away and give your full attention to the job. Focus is your biggest productivity tool. Keep working without switching between tasks. Small, steady progress adds up quickly.
As you can see, the final video includes not only the animation, but also sound effects. The best thing about Google Flow is that while generating the animations, it can also automatically create sound effects according to the scenes. This means we don't have to spend time searching for sound effects separately. And just like that, our complete Stickman animation video is created using a 100% free AI workflow. So, what do you think about this AI workflow? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI tutorials like this in the future.